In this video, I will show you how you can use the weather wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now there are two methods to do so. For the first method, just open the Galaxy Store, then in the search bar, just search this. Now just search Good Lock and install Good Lock on your Samsung phone. After you do that, then just tap on Open, and under Good Lock, just scroll down and look for Wonderland. After you find it, then just tap on it and tap on the download icon over here. And once the Wonderland extension is installed, then just tap on this play button and open Wonderland. Now just tap on create your own moving wallpaper, then tap on the plus icon over here. Now just tap on gallery and select continue. Select allow all. And after that, just select a wallpaper on which you want to apply this effect. For example, I'll select this wallpaper, then tap on this plus icon over here and select particle preset, and from here just select the weather effect which you want to apply. As you can see, you have the option for little snow, snow or heavy snow. You have the option for little rain, rain and heavy rain, and also you have the option for bouncing balls, bubbles and spread rectangles. For example, I will select little snow, and from here you can customize the snowing effect as you like. Now if I tap on preview, this is how it will look. And once you're satisfied with your wallpaper, then tap on save and select save. Now just tap on set wallpaper, and from here just select where you want to set your wallpaper. You can set it as your home screen wallpaper, or you can set it as your lock screen wallpaper, and even you have the option to set it as both. I'll select lock screen and home screen. Now if I go to the home screen, as you can see, we have successfully applied a weather effect on the wallpaper of our Samsung phone. Now this method is good, but it is not interactive. If you want the weather wallpaper to be interactive, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to the lock screen and tap and hold on the empty space on the lock screen. And just enter your lock screen pin. Now after you do that, then just select wallpaper and select a new wallpaper. I'll go to gallery and I'll select another wallpaper. For an example, I'll select this one, then tap on done. Now after you select your new wallpaper, at the bottom of the screen, just swipe to the left side and select weather. Now after you do that, your Samsung phone will apply the current weather of your geographical location on the lock screen of your Samsung phone. Now after you do that, then just tap on done to save. Now since our weather is currently sunny, it is not showing any effect over here, but once it starts raining or snowing, it will show our current weather on the lock screen of our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.